We are crossing the famous Kyoto Bridge. This one. Huh? This is an old bridge. They're very good in preserving it. Wow. Touristy masyado. No?
Yep.
Let's cross muna doon. I think better yung mga kainan doon. May park pa doon kuya, oh. Sa kabilang side. Na pwede mag-bike.
That's nice.
You know? Tingnan mo dito, oh. Ganda, oh. Yung parang kuha nila, oh. Mini dam. Oh. Ganda. Very scenic, oh. Okay. No? Grabe, punong-puno ng mga tourist. And still, no? Old na wood pa nila, oh. Preserved wood. Oh, the runners. Oh. So nawala yung Arashima natin. Maya, saan yung Arashima? Na bamboo forest?
Lahat nito.
Ah, yan?
Okay. But you have to medyo malayo pa rin.
Sige.
Inside there.
So tama lang tayo, yung direction natin.
Okay.
Nice guy.
So we're crossing yung famous na Kyoto Bridge. Time check is past 10 AM. Oh, tama. Mamaya malamig to. So we're going also to the Arashima bamboo forest. Yan yung famous na bamboo forest. Yun. This is the intersection.
Grabe naman.
What is this? Famous na intersection? Ayan, green. Ano, dami.
Ano yung mga shops dito ba?
Yeah, hindi alam. Grabe, oh. Super puno. Grabe.